Hey everybody, it's Kevin here. So let's talk about the Canadiana Stamp Anniething Spring 2024 retreat, where we're going to color, learn, create, and have some fun. Where the retreat will be held in Moncton, New Brunswick, Canada, surrounded by amazing nature and fun things to do. We're close to the Petitcodiac River, where you can see the world-famous tidal bore come in twice a day. Sometimes you can even spot surfers surfing the river in early spring and summer. We're located close to Fundy National Park and Hopewell Rocks, where you can see the highest tides in the world. The venue will be in downtown Moncton and close to all kinds of shops, stores, and restaurants. We'll be at the Rod Moncton Hotel, where you can book an overnight stay if you'd like. We will be teaching classes in one of the conference rooms, and we'll be having lunch provided as well, and we'll having it in the hotel as well. The retreat is a great place to learn your new Copic skills, hone what you already know, or learn more techniques. But you don't have to just take my word for it.
Hey, my name is Becca, and I just wanted to let you know that I highly recommend the retreats for Stamp Anniething. The value of what you get is so far above what you pay for it, with the food, with the venue, with everything that Kevin and Annie and Steven do for the company, as far as projects, as far as materials, as far as games, as far as goodies. You're getting an amazing experience, and it is always highly themed and a ton of fun. The other thing I would say is that you meet so many amazing people, and I have made lifelong friends from the people that I have met at my retreats at Stamp Anniething. It is a great time, and I hope that you consider joining us at the next one.
Now that we've heard from Rebecca, who's been to many of our retreats, let's get into what is going to actually be happening during this retreat in Moncton on June 1st and 2nd. So what's included? So 2 full days of detailed projects and instructed learning, which will include 6 full coloring tutorials including their completed projects, a stamp sheet with exclusive stamps with a Canadiana and Maritime theme, as well you'll receive the SVG outline files. You're going to have a swag bag, and as well we're going to be playing games, and there'll be prizes. Lunch, snacks, and beverages for both days, and there's going to be an excursion to the Nick Nook for 15% off shopping in store. So, to book your spot, you just need to visit stampanniething.com, click the Retreats and Merch tab, then Retreats in the drop-down menu, proceed to select Canadian A Retreat Deposit, and you've saved your spot. From all of us at Stamp Anniething, we can't wait for all the crafty excitement and learning to begin June 1st and 2nd, 2024 here in Moncton, New Brunswick, Canada.